The history and origin of NFTs. Everything you need to know. Hello YouTube family, what's going on? Welcome to NFT Fanatic Space, where we explain, simplify, and analyze NFT-related topics using whiteboard animation. In this video, we'll discuss everything you need to know about the history and origin of NFT. If you've been keeping up with the latest developments, you've probably heard about the non-fungible tokens craze. The year 2021 was the year of NFTs in several aspects. It was a meteoric rise that allowed artists to readily monetize their work while also providing collectors with a convenient option to buy and store value. While NFTs appear to have arisen out of nowhere, but they really date back to 2012. So let's get right into it. Early history, 2012 to 2016. NFTs on Bitcoin? While many people today identify NFTs with the Ethereum blockchain, the fact is that the concept existed long before the birth of Ethereum. Manny Rosenfeld published a paper on December 4, 2012 that established the idea of colored coins, which are issued on the Bitcoin network. Colored coins are a collection of ways for representing and maintaining real-world assets on the Bitcoin blockchain, which may be used to establish asset ownership. Despite the fact that the concept of colored coins was never fulfilled owing to Bitcoin's constraints, it provided the framework for future NFT experiments. Who created the first NFT? Kevin McCoy, a digital artist, minted the first known NFT, Quantum, on May 3, 2014. Quantum is a pixelated octagon with a variety of forms that pulse in a fascinating manner. The one-of-a-kind Quantum art sculpture sold for almost $1.4 million at a Sotheby's auction on November 28, 2021. Platforms developed on top of the Bitcoin blockchain underwent a substantial amount of research and testing between 2014 and 2016. It marked the beginning of Ethereum's dominance over NFTs. NFTs go public, 2017 to 2021. Finally, NFTs find a more suitable home on Ethereum. The Ethereum blockchain was introduced in 2014, and its platform went live on July 30, 2015, ushering in a new era for NFTs. The Ethereum network establishment set a token specification that enabled developers to create their own tokens. CryptoPunks 2017. Following the cryptocurrency boom, John Watkinson and Matt Hall decided to launch an Ethereum-based generative project. With a limit of 10,000 pieces, no two characters would be identical. CryptoPunks was the name of the project. When you combine historical worth and scarcity with the anticipated NFT increase in 2021, it's easy to see why CryptoPunk NFTs are so expensive. One sold for $530 million, making it the most expensive NFT ever. CryptoKitties, 2017 to 2018. CryptoKitties is a virtual game on the blockchain that allows users to adopt, breed, and trade virtual cats from the comfort of their own wallet. Soon after, this project became viral. People were making insane amounts of money exchanging those pets because it was so popular. Also, because of the enormous volume of activity, CryptoKitties clogged the Ethereum blockchain in general, making it much more noticeable. After watching this action, people began to grasp the actual power and potential of NFTs. NFT gaming, 2018 to 2020. Between this time and now, NFTs have gradually but steadily gained public notice, mostly through NFT gaming and metaverse initiatives. Decentraland was the first to enter this space, Mana. Gamers may explore, create, play games, acquire things, and much more in Decentraland. Consider Minecraft, except everything you construct, find, and earn there is yours to own. Soon after, 𝐤𝐸𝐴𝐺, ENJ, a blockchain-based platform that allows developers to tokenize in-game products on Ethereum, began to appear in platforms and games. It can back such goods with real-world value by using 𝐸𝐸𝐴𝐺. The popularity of NFTs grew in 2021. Other blockchains, like as Cardano, Solana, Tezos, Flow, and others, have entered the fray with their own versions of NFTs, introducing new rules to assure that the digital assets represented are really unique. 2021 and beyond. Non-fungible tokens have a much longer history than most people know. As we go from an experimental to a mainstream period, the future promises limitless possibilities. Despite the recent huge increase, we feel that this field is still young and that development will only expand. Ending. Well, that's pretty much from this video. Let us know in the comments below what next you want to learn about NFT. Watch our other videos related to NFTs, and we hope you'll learn a lot from them. Like and share this video to help others to learn. Hit subscribe now, and also press the bell icon so that you never miss our latest videos. See you in the next video. Keep on working hard until you achieve your dreams. Bye-bye.